Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be cooking a curry with my good friend Ella.
Good friend? Am I a good friend? That's the biggest compliment you've ever paid me.
That's it. You put me off now. So we've had a good day out ferreting for rabbits, but we've only caught, how many did we catch in the end? 5? I think it was 5 today. But we also caught a load last night. We caught 16 last night with Pip. So yeah, we caught a few rabbits today, bolting to the dogs, Trudy and Bud. And now we're going to cook a curry. So yeah, we're going to prep the rabbits. We're going to use all the loins, the back straps of the rabbit, because that's probably the best bit. Before we cook the curry, we'll go back to earlier when we was out ferreting, so you can watch how we got on for the day. Yeah, Bud!
Rudy.
Just managed to catch one. Started digging into it. It was at 4 foot. So I've already got 2 foot down. And he bolted. Oh, he came to the entrance of the hole and Ella grabbed all of it. That's the entrance. Oh, I missed it. Bud. Good catch that, wasn't it?
Very well.
Ella's dog only caught it because it's got Mixie. Come on, send her. Yeah, oh no. Yeah. Come on. Alright, we're going to make our rabbit curry. How many we got? Must be like 6 back straps in there. And do the final one. Lovely, lovely. There's all the meat.
Plenty in there.
Yeah, eat well.
Really well.
What
are you doing, chef?
You're going to cook that, what was it? Rogan Josh? What was that? Curry? Let's turn it off. I'm going to get the curry pack.
Show us.
What's that? Show me sofa.
Mind the mess.
Okay, fry the spices first.
Bloody lush. I'm ready for this.
There we go.
I've got cutlery, so I don't need it. Thank you very much. Wow. I said I don't want too much, because I'll not lamp later.
1 second rule.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Banging.
Hang tidy. Try and get in a shot after some down. So Ella likes it. There.
Good, isn't it?
It is
It's
tender.
better than the one we made in.
Yeah, that was just like slop.
I thought it was burned.
Yeah. Well, Ella, thanks for having a. It's been good, hasn't it? Again, it's been good to get
Thanks
it
for
back.
cooking, chef. I'll cook next time.
Yeah, that's it next time. Yeah, no, it's been good getting back out with Ella. We've not been out for a while. Well, it's the first time this season, isn't it?
First time this season, yeah. As far as working the dogs.
Yeah.
Many more to come. Hopefully. I give it a solid 8 out of 10.
Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and take care of yourself.